The third niyama is tapas, which means purification through discipline or commitment. So today I'm going to show you a yoga pose, a mudra, and a mantra to cultivate tapas on and off the mat. Please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So we're going to come to a variation of plank pose. We're going to do a forearm plank, but before we do that, I'm going to show you Garuda Mudra. So take your right wrist over your left wrist and then hook your fingers like so. So all your fingers are spread wide. According to yoga philosophy, this mudra can facilitate fire, heat, and cultivate a sense of empowerment. So you can go for your goals by burning through any challenges that arise. So keep this mudra in mind. Come to hands and knees. We'll start in tabletop. Then come down on your right forearm and then the left. So your shoulders align with your elbows, your arms parallel to the long edge of the mat. Straighten your left leg back behind you and then the other leg. You want your shoulders directly over the elbows and your hips in line with your shoulders. So this is a regular forearm plank. Now, we're going to incorporate Garuda Mudra. Cross your right wrist over your left, hook your thumbs. Now, this pose requires a lot of discipline and commitment. You're going to feel some fire, some heat as we work the core. So as you breathe, think about the discipline it takes to maintain this pose and think about cultivating that energy into your daily life. When you're ready, take a deep breath in, a long breath out. The mantra we're going to practice is Om Agnaye Namaha. 3 times. Deep breath in. Om Agnaye Namaha. Om Agnaye Namaha. Om Agnaye Namaha. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, lower down on your knees. Sink your hips on your heels. Think of stacking the head over the heart over your hips. Keep your Garuda Mudra. Close the eyes here for a moment. And just take a moment and notice how that practice felt for you. Notice how it felt in the body, in the mind. Think about your patterns of discipline and how discipline and commitment shows up in your life. Maybe ask yourself, do you feel disciplined and committed to achieving your goals? Or is that an area you struggle with? When you're ready, you're welcome to open the eyes. We're going to do that practice one more time, chanting our mantra 3 times. Place your forearms down, shoulders over elbows, straighten one leg back and then the other. Hips in line with shoulders. Feel your core activate. Deep breath in. Om Agnaye Namaha. Om Agnaye Namaha. Om Agnaye Namaha. Gently lower the knees, sink your hips on your heels, stack your head over your heart over your hips. Close the eyes and take a moment. Observe any subtle shifts in the body, in the mind, in the heart. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. I hope you found this practice interesting and helpful. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please comment below. I would love to hear how this practice felt for you. And I'd also love to hear how you're incorporating the Niyama of Tapas in your life. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.